Khule njalo ke uthando luka Sibongile kanye ke noKwenzo and bathi uSibongile will choose uthando over livelihood. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 12th to the 14th of February 2024 on Monday. Nomfundo reveals the reason for her pettiness towards Unjengaye. When Myeni asked for photos of Nelsie, she struggled to decide whether to send her real photos or fakes on Tuesday. Usibongile visits Kwenzo and plead with him to return home. Udeliwe has a nefarious reason to convince uVelephi ukuthi phela akasave imali ingaze iphele ngendlela ayispenda ngakhona on Wednesday. Sibongile stand all with a daring choice, prioritizing love over livelihood while a worried call from Peteni leaves Udeliwe reeling. A simple gesture from Myeni has Nelsie seeing a future. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.